Hi, I'm Kishore Racharla, Product Manager in Broadcom's Physical Layer Products Division. We are here at OFC 2026 showcasing the foundational technology critical for AI infrastructure. Optical DSPs are a key component which enable optical connectivity inside a data center infrastructure. We are demonstrating here our latest generation 400G PAM-4 optical DSP called HerculesT. HerculesT is a 7nm CMOS-based optical DSP which converts 4 lanes of 106 gigabits per second from the system side to 4 lanes of 106 gigabits per second to drive high-density optical links inside QSFP-DD and OSFP modules. It addresses the key pain point of customers, which is power consumption. Our design is unique as it is the industry's first and only solution with integrated driver and TIA, which directly translates into the lowest picojoule per bit optical modules for our customers. The HerculesT driver design allows it to drive VCSELs, EMLs, and SiPho, making it suitable for both short-reach as well as long-reach applications. What you're seeing here is a HerculesT-based VR4 module, which is plugged into a Tomahawk 5 switch. It's driving a short-range multi-mode fiber. And we've been running traffic for the last couple of days, and we are seeing an error-free link as shown here. In summary, the HerculesT optical DSP helps the customers to achieve the lowest power and the highest performance 400G PAM-4 optical links, and can be used for short-reach as well as long-reach applications using VCSELs, EMLs, and SiPhos.